Hey, it's Brad Warr with Kane & Blackwell here at the Roco Training Center, taking a look at the new bags we're running in our 11mm kits. So Kane, why don't you run us through the Courant line?
Yeah, Brad, so our crew has really been loving these bags this week. We've gone through all of them. Right here we have the Rope Pro from Courant, right? This is a great two-ended bag that we're utilizing. And then here we have our Courant Cross Pro. We're utilizing these as our primary bags for our 11mm kits, and then Brad's gonna go over the next two.
I will tell you, I've been running the Courant Pro, the 54 liter, as my main gear bag for about 5 years. Hell-bent for stout, fantastic bag, can't recommend it enough. Our other bags we're running our kits, we still love the Petzl line of bucket rope bags. They got the flat bottom, they open up to a big wide mouth so I can stuff rope in. We're running a couple of the 15-liter buckets. And here at the end, I got the CMC Rigtech. Just a fantastic overall backpack style gear organizing backpack that allows me to bring all my gear on scene. So the Courant bags, the Petzl bags, the CMC bags, we are really happy with the mix we have in our kits now.